Robschild, nothing I say is investment advice. Welcome to the show where we view financial markets through crystal ball gazing. JP Morgan once said, millionaires don't need astrologers, but billionaires do. So we begin. No big market news coming out today, and chart-wise, I'm just seeing flags everywhere. I glance through like 30 charts pretty quickly every day, and I just see I see the same thing in tons of charts right now. This is the S&P 500. This looks like to me like we're developing a flag pattern here, and from going up from here, the most likely outcome is actually still to break higher from here. However, we do have this topping tail, which could indicate that this could be, the end. This could be the top of the S&P 500. When I look into my crystal ball, let's take a look. I don't see anything. It's a little too foggy. As I've said, flags everywhere here on the HYT. This is high yield corporate. We see similar kind of movement here. So go up, flagging, will it break higher? It looks like it wants to in this market. 10-year note, similar thing, went up, lower highs and higher lows. It's a clear flag there. On the 30-year bond as well right here, you can see pretty clearly. Most interesting market today for me was actually the EWZ. This is one of the more exciting longer term charts to pay attention to. In the emerging markets, we had a pop out of this consolidation here, and so this is just starting to look more and more bullish, and so I'm very happy to be in this market right now. I see this as a potentially good investment. Again, not investment advice, but just to illustrate this once more to really give the weight here. We've had this long wedge pattern going all the way back to basically 2007, where we hit this wedge over and over again. And today, very, very, very recently, in December, we finally broke through it, and we've been playing with it. And so, chart pattern wise, crystal ball wise, as well as demographics, the kinds of things that the country has, and the areas that are underinvested in right now. I think Brazil is one of the most exciting places to be in markets right now. That's all I have for you for today's show. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Robschild.